All right, YouTube. Safe light, auto glass. We had this back. It's the forward edge again. Tailgate. Took this panel off from the rear window. I don't know why I'm so zoomed in. There. That panel that goes right here. These motherfuckers replaced my window, and this is the hose for your washer fluid. They had it plugged in to this, which I don't even know what the hell that is, but obviously that wasn't doing nothing. We weren't getting any water coming out, so we popped this panel out, found the hose, and it actually goes over here on this one, and these idiots plugged it into that one, so that's why it wasn't working. So we plugged it in here. Problem solved. We got our water working just fine. So if you ever had your rear window replaced and they have to take that off because this whole spoiler thing has to come off to get the glass off, that would be your problem. I can see why they would make that mistake though, because it looks similar. Let me see if I could get in closer. See that plug and that one, but it's even marked with a fucking green line right there, same as this one. This must be the power to it or something, but so it goes in there just like that. I'm gonna try to get it more snug, but that's the problem, guys. Ow, don't hit your head. We out.